Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Well, this is my presentation about result of PPDM program community activity. Uh, Excuse me, we will share about my presentation. Okay, our topic is Balai Dusun, the concept of economic empowerment center based on local wisdom. Okay. Balai Dusun can play a strategic role as a center of economic empowerment, but often hasn't been utilized optimally. Balai Dusun have a potential in the form of many business actor and tourism potential. For this reason, the concept that encourages economic development is needed, such as economic empowerment as effective strategy. Realizing local wisdom-based economic activity require a long-term program that involve all components of community, of society, and stakeholders. Indonesia has the potential for regional wisdom, which is almost pre-so-called archipelago. This potential requires the involvement of all party various program that can be wrapped in economic empowerment based on local wisdom. Economic empowerment can be developed as a strategy to carry out socio-economic change in society that encourage independence and prosperity. The PPDM program aim to improve the optimizing of Balai Dusun as a function of economic and social empowerment of community. The problem and solution. We can see problem identification and then a solution and output that will identify. The problem identification, first, the gap between expectation and the real condition of economic empowerment. The second, limited community-owned community equipment. And the third, the initiation of economic activity is a concept of community economic empowerment hasn't been carried. Based on the problem identification, we try to reach the solution. The first, alignment of community perception toward the center of economic empowerment in Hamlet Hall. Third, second, arrange the management of the Hamlet Hall, Balai Dusun. The third, equipment grant. The fourth, small medium enterprise bazaar as a stimulus of economic movement, economic activity that utilize Balai Dusun. We hope our program have four output. Yeah, program design of economic and social empowerment, management of Hamlet Hall or Balai Dusun, grant equipment, and then small medium enterprise bazaar for early point to community economic empowerment, to activity economic empowerment in Balai Dusun Center. Okay, this is our methodology. We will start. We start the program, and we identify the problem, and then we choose a method. Yeah, one of the method is focus group discussion to participant, to community, masyarakat, Karang Taruna, PKK, ya. Via focus group discussion and then mentoring activity and management then coaching ya grant ya market day small medium enterprise or bazar small medium enterprise. we choose two activity, two strategy, participative learning and community involvement. Yeah. And then networking with the kecamatan, with the community. Yeah. Output our program is economic empowerment initiative program. Okay, we can see several pictures, several documentation about our activity, the program PPDM. The first like this discussion, focus group discussion with the masyarakat, with the community, and then we can see activity basar, activity basar small medium enterprise, and then this picture is Susur Sungai Progo as an initiative empowering economic with Susur Sungai, and then hibah grant. Okay. Our conclusion in this program, this PPDM program provides a stimulant for the development or motivation from community group at the Balai Dusun to develop their local potential, which include tourism potential and the embryo of small medium enterprise business actor who are still in the productive state. The strategy of forming a community by utilizing of a Balai Dusun as a high acceptance rate from the all community. This is because the existence of Balai Dusun and management with the program prepare can accepted by all component of the resident, so that can become a forum for joint activity. The launching of river train tourism, Susur Sungai, is a smart strategy. I think we think Susur Sungai is a smart strategy to start optimizing the Balai Dusun as stimulant center for economic activity. Based on analysis of regional potential and regional development analysis, to welcome the opening of the connection bridge along Kulon Progo and Bantul Beach area. Okay, our implementation. Human resource capability in view of concept empowerment is greatly influenced by their own empowerment to change. Therefore, empowerment activity are needed in every mentoring activity. Assistance is one of a strategy that can support the success of community empowerment program. In addition, mentoring can also be a strategy, the priority, making the best the client resources. However, the program of counseling, mentoring, and developing new area of economic zone, economic activity, economic empowerment require a long-term study, a long-term program, a long-term support. For this reason, networking development with stakeholder is very necessary. Okay, the last my presentation. Thankful to LPM UMY that funding, give funding all my program and this activity HCCS and HCCS in this time. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.